What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. In this, little episode that we're doing, we are going to see if these spark plugs that we got from Walmart, which was like 50 cents. I just want to let y'all know that the Walmart section is pretty lit. All right, and I got this 3-piece socket set for $4.74, which also was in the clearance section. Here are the spark plug sockets. They have the rubber boot in the middle, and we are going to take this spark plug out of this Honda Troy built lawnmower, Honda engine, and we are going to change the spark plug. So let's have some fun. Right now, from what I see, the threads is way bigger in this, and do look like we need to change the spark plug. It's seen its time. This is the original spark plug. Well, the boot came off of that, so guess that's what happened when you get a clearance item, right? All right, so yeah, the thread is a little bit big. Let me see. It looks about the same size. Let me see with this E3. It looks about the same thing. Now let's try the E3, because these are some popular spark plugs that's coming out in the market. This is a Briggs & Stratton. Let me open it up. Like I said, you guys, this was only 50 cents. So if this don't work with anything, all I lose is 50 cents. All right. Let me see. All righty. Pretty cool looking. Looks a little bit different. All right. Now I'm going to put it in. I got some tune-up dielectric grease right here. I'll put a little bit on there. This don't fit this socket. This is a 21mm socket, of course. So, nope. Add that one in. Perfect. So 5/8 socket. Let's see what we look like, you guys. Let's see what we look like, you guys. Put it in here. There. And it looks like it fits the thread. I think we got a winner. Let's see if this starts up. Now, the lawnmower is a little bit rough starting. It's still quick starts, but it's a little bit rougher than what it used to be. I had this lawnmower for 4 years. Tighten it, but not too tight. So let's see. That snapped on, and we're going to turn it on. All right, you guys, we are going to start this thing, and let's see what it's going to look like. All right, I'm over here in the new grass. I already cut the grass a little bit. Not the new grass though, I'm letting it grow a little bit taller. Might put some more seeds down, because not everywhere was successful in growing. But anyways, that's blah, blah, blah. Let me go ahead and turn the lawnmower on, and let's see if it's a rough start still or quick starting. All right, you guys, and there you go. Only one pull and this bad boy started right on up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the grass, and there you go, 50 cents spark plugs. Make sure you go to Walmart. The first thing you do when you go to Walmart is go to the clearance section. If you go to Walmart every day, go to the clearance section. If you go to Walmart once a week, go to the clearance section. You may never know what's on clearance. Something simple as that. 50 cents for a spark plug, and spark plugs usually like $3 a piece or whatever. I even saw grass seed there that was very cheap that was on sale. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.